Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, we showed you how to customize your drives in Windows 11 with custom icons. Today, I'll show you the best way to create these icons yourself. We'll be using a classic tool called IrfanView. This application is completely free and very lightweight on your system's resources. It's a favorite among IT professionals because it gets the job done quickly and without any unnecessary complications. It can convert any image, regardless of format JPG or PNG, into a high-quality icon in just a few clicks. Before we begin, you'll find a direct download link for the IrfanView app in the video description. Let's get started. After downloading the app, double-click the setup file. A user account control message will pop up on your screen. Go ahead and click Yes or OK to allow the installer to run. Once the installation wizard opens, you'll see several configuration options. For simplicity, I'll leave most of these options at their default settings, then click the Next button. A page will appear listing what's new in this version. You'll find all the updates and features included in this version, then click Next. A file linking page will appear. The installer will ask if you want to link specific image formats, such as JPEG or PNG, directly to IrfanView, so they open with that application by default. As mentioned earlier, we'll leave these settings as they are, and click Next. Next, as you see on the screen, select the second recommended option. This ensures that the configuration files are saved in the user's application data folder, which is the safest option for Windows 11. Then, click Next to begin the installation process. It's a very quick process because the application is very lightweight. Once finished, simply click the Done button. The application will open immediately. Don't let this simple, old-fashioned interface fool you. It may look like a program from the Windows 98 era, but it's actually very powerful and reliable. Its main purpose for us today is to convert any image into a perfect icon format, and it does this better than most modern, bulky applications. I have a set of PNG images, as you can see on the screen, and I want to convert them to icon format. The method is very simple. Open IrfanView app, then go to the File menu. In the top left corner, select Open, navigate to your folder, choose the image you want to convert, and click Open. Your image will now appear in the workspace. To convert it, return to the File menu, and select Save As. A pop-up window will appear. Look for the drop-down menu. Next to Save As type, there are several formats you will need, but I will select ICO, Windows icon. Then, choose where to save your new file, and click the Save button. Now, let's check the new file format. Right-click on the new image, and select Properties. You'll see that the file type is now icon.ico, and that's how you can use a simple and easy-to-use tool like IrfanView to create professional icons, whether you're customizing desktop icons, folders, or drives as we did in the previous video. I hope this explanation was helpful. If you liked the video, please click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.